ናይ ሎም መዓንቲ ታሪኽና ብዛዕባ ጃክ ማ ንውድቀት ናብ ዓወት ንምንጻግ ድማ ናብ ሓንቲ ካብተን ዝዓበያ ኩባንያታት ዝለወጠ ሰብ እዩ። ክንደይ ግዜ ኣይትኽእልን ኢኻ ተባሂልካ ክንደይ ግዜ ሓሳብካ ናይ ዕብዳኒ ብዙሕ ጠቓሚ ይኮነን ኢሎም ኣለዉ ወይ ከዓ ብዙሕ ነገራት ደጋጊምካ ፈቲንካ ክሰልጠካ ይከኣልን። ስለዚ ዝተሰዓርካ መሲልካ ንሎም መዓንቲ እምበር ብዛዕባ ሓደ ውልቀ ሰብ ንውድቀቱ ከም መሳልል ናብ ዓወቱ ዝተጠቐመሉ ሰብ ኢና ክንርኢ። ንሰሓቕን ዕብየትን ኣእምሮኻ ንምሕዳስ እንተዳ ናብ ዩቲዩብ ገጽካ ትመጽእ ኾንካ ኣብ ልክዕ ቦታ ኢኻ ዘለኻ ሳብስክራይብ ኣይትረስዑ። እታ ዝዓበየት ንሱ ዝጥቀመላ ትምህርቲ ሓንቲ እያ። ንስኻ ኣብ ነብስኻ እመን። ጃክ ማ ኣብ ፈተና ናይ ኮሌጅ 2 ግዜ ወዲቑ ናብ ሃርቫርድ ዩኒቨርሲቲ 10 ግዜ ኣመልኪቱ 10 ግዜ እውን ተነጺጉ። ከምኡውን ትካል KFC ናብ ዓዱ ኣብ ዝኣተወሉ ግዜ 24 ሰራሕተኛታት ኣመልኪቶም እቶም 23 ሰባት ክቕበልዎም ከለዉ እቲ ሓደ ዘይተቐበልዎ ሰብ መን ነይሩ? ጃክ ማ። መብዛሕትኡ ግዜ ኣብ ከምዚ ዓይነት ኩነታት ኣብ ዝህልወሉ እንተ ከጋጥሞ ኢልካ ኢኻ ትሓስብ ምናልባት ተስፋ ክቆርጽ ይኽእል። እንተኾነ ጃክ ማ ግን ኣብ ሓንቲ ነገር ጥራይ ዝኣምን ነይሩ፣ ንሳ ድማ ኣብ ገዛእ ርእስኻ ምእማን። ሰባት ኣብ ልዕሊኡ እምነት ክስእኑ ከለዉ ንሱ ግን ኣብ ራእዩን ኣብ ዓቕሙን ዓብ እምነት እዩ ነይርዎ። እዚ ማለት ንውድቀት ከም ናይ መወዳእታ ዘይኮነ ከም ሓደ ናብ ዓወት ከብጽሖ ዝኽእል ስጉምቲ እዩ ዝርኦ ነይሩ። ስለዚ ጃክ ማ ይብል ንውድቀት ከም ሓደ ሕማቕ ነገር ኣይትረኣዮ፣ እንታይ ደኣ ከም ሓደ መምህር ተመክሮ ረኣዮ። ጃክ ማ እታ ዝዓበየት ፍልስፍንኡ ድማኒ እዛ ሕጂ እንሰማዕ እያ። ሎሚ ጨካን እያ፣ ጽባሕ ከባ ዝኸፍአት እያ፣ ድሕሪ ጽባሕ ግን ብሩህ ፀሓይ ኣሎ። መብዛሕትኦም ሰባት ግን ጽባሕ ምሸት እዮም ተስፋ ዝቖርጹ። እዚ ማለት እታ ዓወት ኣዝያ ቀረባ ኣብ ዘላትሉ እዋን ኢኻ ተስፋ ትቖርጽ ዘላ። ስለዚ ተዓጊስካ ቐጽል። ስለዚ ኣሕዋት ኣብ ዝቐጽል ግዜ ምስ ትወድቕ ወይ ሓደ ሰብ ኣይትኽእልኒ ኢኻ ኣብ ዝብለካ ግዜ ንጃክ ማ ዘክር። ምኽንያቱ ሕልምኻ ንዓኻ ጥራይ እዩ ዝረኣየካ፣ ንሳቶም ክርእይዎ ኣይክእሉን እዮም። ምእንቲ ሕልምኻ ተቓለስ፣ ከምኡውን ምእንቲ ራእይኻ ተበገስ። እቲ ዝዓበየ ውድቀት ተስፋ ምቑራጽ እዩ። ተስፋ ኣይትቑረጽ፣ ገና ኣይተሰዓርካን። ኣብ ነብስኻ እመን፣ ሕልምኻ ቅቡል እሞ ሎሚ ጀምር። ሓደ ግዜ ዓብ ሕልሚ ነይርካ ዶ ይፈልጥ? ኣብ ዓለም ኩሉ ኣይከኣልኒ ኢልካ እቲ ኣብ ውሽጥኻ ዝነድድ ዘሎ ሓዊ ብናይ ምንጻግ ውድቀትን ዝናብ ዝጠፍእ ዝነበረ ዝመስለካ ዝነበረ እዋን ኣሎ ዶ? በዚ ምኽንያት ጃክ ማ እቲ ዝዓበየ ኣጽዋር ናቱ ዝነበረ ገንዘብ ኣይነበሮን፣ ቴክኒካዊ ክእለት እውን ኣይነበሮን፣ ሓያላት ደገፍቲ እውን ኣይነበርዎን። ሓንቲ ነገር ጥራያ ነይራቶ፣ ዘይነቓነቕ ኣብ ገዛእ ርእስኻ ምእማን። ኩሉ ሰብ ኢንተርነት ሓደገኛ እዩ ጽቡቕ ኣይኮነን ክብል እንከሎ ንሱ ግን ነዚ ንእሽተይ ንግዲ ከዓብየሉ ዝኽእል መሳርሒ ኢሉ እዩ ዝኣምን ነይሩ። ካብ ጸገማት ኣይሃደመን፣ ናብኣቶም ገጹ እዩ ተጓዒዙ። ምኽንያቱ ኣብ ውሽጢ ጸገማት ዕድላት ከም ዝሕቡእ እየ ዝኣምን ይብል ጃክ ማ ብትብዓት። ሓይሊ ናይ ሓባር ራእይ። ጃክ ማ ኣብታ ንእሽተይ ገዝኡ ምስቶም 17 መሳርሕቱ ኮፍ ኢሉ ብዛዕባ ህያውነት ናይ ዓሊባባ ኣብ ዝዛረበሉ ዝነበረ እዋን ኣብ ነብስኻ ምእማን ጥራይ ኣኻል ይኮነን፣ እቲ ዝዓበየ ብድሆ ነቲ ኣብ ውሽጥኻ ዘሎ እምነት ናብ ልቢ ካልኦት ሰባት ከመይ ጌርካ ትዘርኦ እዩ ክብል ተሰሚዑ ነይሩ። ኣብታ ንእሽተይ ክፍሊ 17 መሳርሕቱን ገንዘብን ሃብትን ክህልዎም ኣይኮነን ኣተስፊዎም፣ እንታይ ደኣ ሓደ ዓብ ነገር ንምህናጽ ዝብል ሓሳብ እዩ ኣብ ርእሶም ሰቒሉሎም። እዚ ሓሳብ ድማ ንዓለም ምቕያር ዝብል ራእይ እዩ ኣካፊልዎም። እዞም 17 ሰባት ኣብ ገንዘብ ኣይኮኑን ዝኣምኑ ነይሮም፣ እንታይ ደኣ ኣብቲ ሕልሚ ናይ ጃክ ማ እዮም ዝኣምኑ ነይሮም። ስለዚ ኣብ ነብስኻ ጥራይ ኣይኮንካን ክትኣምን ዘለካ፣ እንታይ ደኣ ኣብ ራእይኻ እውን እመን። ምኽንያቱ እቲ ራእይኻ ድማ ንኻልኦት ሰባት ከም ማግኔት ኮይኑ ክስሕቦም እዩ። ጃክ ማ ይብል ኣብ ተግባር ቀዳምነት ክትከውን ኣለካ። ሕጂ ናባኻ ክምለስ እየ። እዚ ታሪኽ ናይ ጃክ ማ ጽቡቕ ታሪኽ ጥራይ ኣይኮነን፣ ንሱ ናትካ መስትያት እዩ። እቲ ሕልምኻ፣ እቲ ራእይኻ፣ እቲ ንዓለም ከተበርክቶ እትደሊ ነገር ቅቡል እዩ፣ ግን ብኸመይ ትጅምር? ንሕልምኻ ነጽሮ። ወዲቕካ እንተ ደኣ ኾንካ ሎም ምሸት ሓንቲ ወረቐት ኣውፅእ እሞ እንታይ እዩ ዘውድቐኑ ዘሎ? እንተዘይወድቕከ እንታይ ምገበርኩ ኢልካ ሕተት። እቲ ዝመጸካ መልሲ እውን ጸሓፎ። እዚ ዩቲብ መበገሲኻ። ኣብቲ ካልኣይ ነጥቢ ነታ ቀዳመይቲ ስጉምቲ ሎሚ ውሰዳ። ዓበይቲ ነገራት ብነኣሹ እዮም ዝብገሱ ስለዚ ሎሚ ጀምሮ ኣብቲ ሳልሳይ ነጥቢ ዓብ ሕልሚ ኣለካ ጽቡቕ ሎሚ ግን ሓንቲ ንእሽተይ ስጉምቲ ጥራይ ውሰድ ንኣብነት ሓንቲ ኢሜይል ለኣኽ ሓንቲ ገጽ ኣንብብ ሓንቲ ቪድዮ ስራሕ ንውድቀት ከም ፈታዊኻ ግበሮ ኣብ ዝቕጽል ግዜ ኣይፋል ምስ ተባህልካ ወይ ምስ ወደቕካ ኣብ ዝኾነ ይኹን ሰዓት ከም ውድቀት ጌርካ ይትቀበሎ ከም ሓደ ናይ መልእኽቲ ሓበሬታ ጌርካ ረኣዮ ንኣብነት እዚ መንገዲ እዚ እኳ ብዙሕ ዝሰርሕ ኣይኮነን እንታይ ዳ ካልእ ነገር ክፍትና ኣለኒ ክትብል ኣለካ ተወሳኺ ንዓኻ ዝመስሉ ሰባት ድለ ንሕልምኻ ዘይኣምንሉ ሰባት ሓሳብካ ይተካፍሎም እንተ ወሓደ ብሓንቲ ወይ ብኽልተ ዝኣምኑልካ ሰባት ድለ እቶም ዕቡድ ጃክማ ዝብሉ ዝነበሩ ሰባት ኣይኮኑን ታሪኽ ዝሰርሑ እንታይ ዳ እቶም ምስኡ ኣብ ሕልሙ ዝኣመኑ ሰባት እዮም ምስኡ ታሪኽ ተማቒሎም ጃክማ ጀማር ንግዲ ጥራይ እውን ኣይኮነን ንሱ ከም ሓደ ህያው መርትዖ እዩ መርትዖ ናይ ሓደ ሰብ ኣብ ነፍሱ ምስ ዝኣምን ክገብሮ ዝኽእል ነገራት እቲ ኣብ ውሽጥኻ ዘሎ ድምፂ ካብቲ ኣብ ደገ ዘሎ ህውከት ይዓብን ይበለፀን እሞ ኣዳምፆ ኣብኡ እመን ሎሚ ጀምር
Or, your idea is crazy is. Have you ever been told? How many times have you repeated you tried again and again you thought you were defeated? Today, from failure to victory and to reject it. One of the largest companies that changed the world person, we'll talk about Jack Ma.
مباركس زخبركم تعذبتي يوتيوب لو ما عند غريب وزنبر مدب نزل سمعكم وينيرو أبقى طالب وخالب مدب كن رخبنا كساب شعوغن ساسانايو ناخذ لنا
You can't your idea is crazy is. Have you ever been told? How many times have you repeated you tried again and again you thought you were defeated? Today, from failure to victory and to reject it. One of the largest companies that changed the world person, we'll talk about Jack Ma, his greatest lesson, and it is one, believe in yourself. Jack Ma, for the college exam he fell twice. He applied to Harvard University 10 times and was rejected 10 times. When KFC entered its hometown, 24 people applied for jobs, 23 were accepted, and the one who was rejected was the one. What would most people do in this situation? He would be disappointed, but he didn't. Jack Ma only believed in one thing, believing in yourself. While people didn't believe in him, he believed in his vision and his potential. He saw failure not as the end, but a step toward success. Don't see it as a failure, see it as a learning experience. This was his greatest philosophy. Today is cruel, tomorrow is even worse, but there is a bright sun after tomorrow. But most people give up tomorrow night, he added. This means that you give up when the victory is very close, so keep being patient. So my brothers, the next time you fall down, or someone tells you you can't, or no, remember Jack Ma. Your dreams are all you see, they don't see it. Fight. For your dreams, set out for your vision. The biggest failure is disappointment. Don't give up. You haven't lost yet. Believe in yourself. Your dreams are acceptable, so start today. Did you ever have a big dream but you said the world is all impossible? Have a vision but the people around you can't see it. Have you ever thought that the fire that burns inside of you is starting to die out in the rain of rejection and failure? The hidden weapon. What was Jack Ma's secret weapon? Money. He didn't have it. Technical skills. He didn't have it. Strong fans. They didn't have it. He had only one thing, unwavering self-belief. Do you understand? While everyone said, the internet is dangerous, it's not good, he believed. This is a medium through which small businesses can grow. He didn't run away from problems, he walked to them because, I believe, that within problems, there are opportunities. Says Jack Ma, boldly, the power of a shared vision. Jack Ma sat in his small house with 17 colleagues, talking animatedly about Alibaba, just believing in yourself is not enough. The greatest challenge is to sow the faith within yourself into the hearts of others. In that small room, He did not threaten his 17 colleagues with money and wealth. Rather, it was an opportunity to build something great. He shared a vision of changing the world. They didn't believe in the money. They believed in the dream and the man. Now let's get back to you. The story of Jack Ma is not just a good story. He is a mirror of you. Your dream, your vision, what you want to contribute to the world is welcome. But how do you get started? Clean up your dreams. If you have fallen, tonight take out a piece of paper and say, if I hadn't fallen, what would I have done? Ask yourself. Write down the answer. This is your starting point. Take that first step. Big things start with small steps. Do you have a big dream? Well done. But take just one small step today. Send one email, read $26, make a video. Make failure your friend. The next time you are told no, don't see it as a failure. Look at it as data. This way didn't work. Let's try another way. Say hello. Find like-minded people. Don't share your dreams with people who don't believe in them. Find 1 or 2 people who trust you. It wasn't the people who called him Crazy Jack who made history. It was those who believed with him, who shared his tactics. Jack Ma is not just a startup business. He is living proof. Proof of the things one can do when they believe in themselves. The sound inside you is louder than the chaos outside. Listen, believe in him. Start Lemonade.
ኤሪቲዩብ ኣብዛ ቻናል ዝቐርቡ መደባት እዋናዊ ዛዕባን ዜናታትን ታሪኽ ኣገረምቲ ሓቅታትን ካልኦትን ንመገሻ ዝሕግዙ ናይ ኦንላይን ቪዛታትን ሓሳባት ንግድን ከምኡውን ኣዘናጋዕቲ መደባት ዝቐርቡላ መደብ ስለ ዝኾነት ሳብስክራይብ ጌርኩም መደባት ንኽትከታተሉና ዕድመኩም